Yo, I'm Fish. Let's go on out, go have a little bike ride. This ambulance just parking, and down the road, maybe a mile, is the hospital. They come down the block with the sirens going, and let me tell you, not just once, not twice, it seems to be their routine path now. We were kids, we played stickball, we played hockey, we played football, and hardly a car would ever come down the block. Once in a blue moon, maybe once every 40 minutes. Now it's every 5 seconds, 11 seconds, and you may have 3 or 4 cars at a clip. I could probably count about 1,000 cars coming down my block a day. We weren't many kids on our block, but now there's a lot of kids on our block. There's a lot of cross traffic on our block, a lot of people also walking. If I counted 1,000 cars, I could have probably counted 1,000 people. I'm like a micro city. It's quiet right now, and that's how I like it. I don't like it noisy all the time, but sometimes you want a little bit of peace. Well, I got a nice piece of software finally. Woohoo! I gave a little hoot. I promised Ohio Fred I'd do a little screen recording of it and share. It's Cyberlink Powerdirector 365, or you can call it Powerdirector 2024, or you can call it Powerdirector 22. Is it true that Powerdirector 365 is 21 and you don't have the 2024 version now when they just updated, and you're subject to that annual, and you could cancel it and then resubmit for the new 365? Or it automatically updates to the 2024 as long as you pay your bill. Beautiful blue sky. This is the DJI Osmo Action 4, ladies and gentlemen. It does a nice job. It captures the moment real beautiful. Setting up, trying to get the best shot possible, how important things are, what we do to capture the sunrise that's coming up in a few minutes. If you really wanted the best shot closest to the water, wouldn't you get a boat? There are many different angles and ways to go about it. Sunrise is going to be a few minutes. I'm not going to sit here and wait and try to capture the moment. I see it once, I see it twice, I see it all the time. I do my fun, having fun, riding my bike. And they do their fun and their hobby, taking photography all the time, capturing those moments. Because every single shot is different than the other. I shot video. The one good thing now is that 4K 120 frames per second is actually going to be able to be used as 4K 30 frames per second, with the audio 100% playing real time and regular video, unless you put it into the editor, and then you can slow it down as slow as you want for that slow motion and separate the track and have regular audio or slow motion audio as well. DJI, thumbs up to that one. I hold my camera like this. I have it down on an angle, so it's ergonomics for me. So let me straighten you out. I can stand straight up now and be in the view. How beautiful is that sun rising, and where will it rise from? Summertime will be over there. Wintertime will be more and more over there, beyond this side. Oh yeah, the camera does a nice job. I got a lot of light back here. We shouldn't be filming this particular way unless we have light on us. Now that I am lit up with lighting, how do I look presented to the background? Do I still need to have more bike light? Now I'm really beautiful in the picture, how the shot should be. And that is how cameras work. They need to be adjusted. Well, I'm on the go with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Man, all that light in my eyes, I tell you, I just want to go have some fun. So, to capture the sun and to be in it, put it in your background, lighting is key. There's a lot we could do without cameras and what we share to the world. We could sit here and take photos, try to get the best shot off the screen, get over the water. What happens if your camera goes in? You're gonna go in to go get it? I don't think so. You're gonna sit there and go, man, why did my camera go in? Because I put it there. Anyway, I'm not gonna sit here and wait and wait. I'm gonna go down to the beach while it's a nice day. I wanted to go to the boardwalk, but I don't have the time to do that. I gotta build up for that again. I have to yell to the camera. And the reason is, if I'm over here and that far away, I could talk nicely. I feel I need to be loud so you can hear, because I hear background noise. But when I'm over here, I don't think it's strong enough to pick my voice up. When it picks up everything else but moi. That's the way all cameras are. You can see how nice and soft I'm talking in a natural voice. I said you can see how nice and soft I was talking in a natural voice. You can hear the difference, right? So let's get on out of here and take you with me before the wind kicks up. I made it down to the beach area. As I get in there, it's not that windy, breezy. It's got that real soft breeze. And yeah, see what it looks like. Again, ballerina style. And the guy's doing exercise on the other side, squat style. Yeah, this is the beach. The wind is kicking. And yeah, it's getting brighter. So shouldn't I switch over and change my settings? I'm on the go with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Does a good job just capturing those moments for you. Now people say, oh, I don't like HDR, I don't like this, I don't like that. They're the ones that don't like it. I like it a lot. Swim season's over. Lifeguard shacks it down. Beach is clean. And off we go. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy right here. We got Spider-Man with us hanging out by the tree. Parks are great. People just leave their stuff and let the parks people clean up after that. Oh man, the fun is yet to begin. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a lot of preparing to do down the road. Gotta get things done and do it right. I like that. Flowers are still happening. Places are being fixed up. Oh, they finally opened the gate, laid down excellent tiles. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Maybe the sun is rising by now. I don't think so. It's just about getting up there. A beautiful day it started. I got a lot of editing to do. Put this in the editor and have fun. I shoot today in MOV. I'm going to change to H265 HEVC. Why do I shoot this way? It's a little easier for me with my machine, as it's kind of getting a little older today with today's technology. The swans, they're out waiting for their food. Mr. Pigeon. Well, I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot. I hope you had a nice ride with me along on this bicycle ride, and me editing it on the program and just doing the regular simple edits. That gets me going, that makes my job a lot easier when I got a good software. And on that note, I am Fish, and I see you on many other videos down the road to come. Have a great day and enjoy your fall. Have a great one. Enjoy, everybody.